Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a logo on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the logo option. Select the template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add the picture to your project, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can change and delete this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add object to your project, click to the object section, and here you can search different objects. For example, click to the ice cream. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add another animation, click to the animations button, and here you can find different animations. If you want to add video, click to the videos option, and here you can search and upload video. In the music section you can find different music, and if you want to add one, click to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.